how long before the Xbox 360 came out?
Not very long.
No, they were out in 2003, and the Xbox. Oh, you're right. It was only 2 years, but still, it's not like 4K's been out 2 years. 4K and 4K's dog shit, dude. 4K is the biggest scam on the planet. Like, the only decent 4K displays I saw at CES were from.
We're in the middle of a gunfight right now.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt, but it gets ugly in this game. It's unforgiving. If we die, we lose everything.
Sounds like DayZ.
It is like that in that way.
Shit.
No!
Where is he?
It's left side of the hangar.
Getting ready to come in, isn't he?
Yeah.
I shot him. Still up.
Fuck. That was Western, right? Fucking airfield. God damn it.
Damn, my heart's beating out of my chest now.
Yeah. Going back to where we hit that vehicle.
I just tossed a grenade into the runway. Pretty close to it anyway. Whew.
Did you get him?
I don't know. It didn't say that he died. Did your screen say that he died, Sean?
No,
I
it's
hit
still.
And I'm at 0 damage. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're trying to throw grenades in here. There's a guy in underwear with a motorcycle helmet.
Yeah, that's the one that killed me.
I shot him. I shot him up good, man. Oh, he just came in. He's in the corner of the warehouse. Wait a second. He's fucking dead now.
Nice.